Welcome to Educaloy. Today we are discuss about skills of measurement, which is a topic based on paper 1 NTNet syllabus under the research methodology. So yeah, it's important part of discussions for the NTNet paper 1. Many of the time there have many questions which has coming from the this topic, skills of measurement. So today we will see type of the skills and the examples of the skills which we need to know in the basic of the skills regarding the questions coming from the internet examination. So first and all, we need to know that there is a four type of scales of measurement. First one is nominal scale, second is ordinal scale, third is interval scale, and fourth is ratio scale. Now, what is if we say that the scales of measurement are used to quantify or categorize the variables. So this is the important things which you need to remember, that when we categorize or we quantify, okay, the variables, then we can use this type of scale. We may use for in some of the case we can use the nominal scale, some of the case like the we can use the ordinal scale. So there are several aspects we to quantify and categorize the variables, we can use the scales of measurement. And before any research, one must identify the type of the variables under the studies. Okay, so whatever the variables we have been taken for our research purpose, we need to at first identify that what kinds of variables are we have been used for our research purpose. So this is the necessary work we need to do. So yeah, to measure of the different variables, we need to use the scales to get the proper result as well. So these are the scales of measurement. So first, like the types of scales of measurement. So this is divided in two types. One is categorical scale and another is continuous scale. So the categorical scales is divided on nominal and ordinal. So there is example like nominal scale. If we take the parameter of gender, then there is a two, like male and female is a kind of a nominal scale. And ordinal, we based on if we take the height, then short, medium, tall, these are ordinal scale. And there is an interval scale which is continuous scale, and the another is ratio scale. So we need to know that these four types of scale, mainly nominal, ordinal, interval, and ratio. So first we discuss about the nominal scale. What is the nominal scale? So nominal scale is the first level scale of measurement, like which is classify or identify the objects. When we classify or identify the objects, then we can say that it is a nominal scale. So there is example like if we take if like there is a nominal scale of measurement, then if I ask that what is your gender, so you can say either male or female. So M is denoted as male and female is denoted as F. So this is the example of nominal scale. Okay, so it can be classified into two or more categories. It is of course qualitative, because we know that when we are given a descriptions about the qualitative, okay, qualitative descriptions, then we say that this is the nominal scale as well. And of course the numbers are used here to identify the objects, and here we can use the number to only the identified of the objects. So this is a nominal scale. Now second is ordinal scale. So ordinal scale represent the order. Okay, so remember these things. Ordinal scale is related to the order. So ordinal data is known as the qualitative data or categorical data, definitely. So it can be grouped, named, or also ranked. Okay, so like I can in a school, based on the academic merit, some of the students get, like one of the student get first position, one of the student get second positions, one of the student rank third position. So based on number, based on rank, if we categorize that things, then we use the ordinal scale. Now third, Third is interval scale. So interval scale defined as quantitative. So nominal and ordinal, of course, based on category and based on what? Based on qualitative. Now interval scale is quantitative measurement scale. So where the difference between two variables is meaningful. Okay. So the variables are measured in an exact manner, okay, not as in relative way, then we can say that is interval scale. So like example of some interval scale is Likert scale, then net promoter score, MPS, which is known as. So it's in interval scale, the value is quantitative, okay, and we can easily quantify the difference between the value, and it allows the calculating the mean and median of the variables. So of course if we like able to find out the difference between two values, then definitely we can do the mean and median, and based on the interval scale as well. Now fourth is ratio scale. So the ratio scale is a fourth level of measurement. Of course it is a quantitative scale. So the ratio scale has unique features, and it possesses the character of the origin of the 0 points, okay. So there is a main example of the ratio scale has the features of absolute zero. So it depends on the absolute zero, and another thing is it does not have the negative number, and because of its 0 point features, okay, so it's not in, it's like it does not have any characteristics of the negative numbers as well. So example, like if I say what is your weight in kgs, so you can give me the reply less than 55 kg, 55 to 75 kgs, 76 to 85 kgs. So if these things are happen, if these types of the skills is known as the ratio scale. So these are the four types of skills. You just remember the things that ratio scale is related to the absolute zero. So you just remember little things. Sometime in paper one, what like the questions formed like that way, to in based of matching that the matching between the scales and the characteristics of the scale. So you need to remember the little point regarding the scales. So this is a connectivity of the scales like that. Nominal, which is related to the named variable. Ordinal named plus order. Then interval named order. Proportionate interval between the variables, okay. So this third part is included in the interval scales, and fourth is ratio is deals with named order, proportionate interval between variables, and of course it's accommodated with the absolute zero. These are the ideas about the scales of measurement, okay. So this is a small video regarding the important topic of paper 1 for internet examination. So yeah, if you like this video, please subscribe and share. If you have any queries regarding anything, you can ask in the comment section as well. So thank you so much. Good night.